Hi, this is Edward Troxel. In today's tutorial, we're going to look at a way to simplify creating subtitles, in that if you already have a bunch of text boxes on the screen, we want to be able to turn on the background and show a background color, and also limit it to be the size of the text using the new option in the newest Vegas Pro 19 that will allow you to fit the background to the text. So we're going to learn how to change the background color and learn how to turn on the fit background to text option from a script. So let's see how that's done. For today's tutorial, we're going back to our standard class1.cs test script that we've been using for months and months and months. And this time we're going to go through for each track, my track in myvegas.project.tracks. And I specifically want to look to see if this is a video track. So if my track.isVideo, then I'm going to go through each event on that track. Then if this is a generated media, then I want to look at that generated media to see if it's a titles and text. If it's not a generated media, I don't need to look at it. Well, if it is a generated media, I'm going to get the video event, which I'm just calling VEVNT. So I'm going to convert the event to a video event, VEVNT, from EVNT using video event in parentheses to convert it. Then I'm going to get the effect, which I'm just calling G effect for generated media effect. And I'm getting that from the video event .activeTake.media.generator. Then I need the OFX effect, which I'm calling OFX, which I can get from the GEffect.OFX effect. Technically, I should throw another if in here to say, is this an OFX effect before trying to get the OFX effect? In this case, for my testing, I know that everything on the timeline is an OFX effect, so I'm not really worried about it a whole lot. But I do want to check to see, is it a titles and text? So if my GEffect.plugin.unique ID is the titles and text ID, then I know that I've got the correct plugin. This is a titles and text plugin, and that's what I want to modify. So if it is a titles and text, now I'm going to get an RGBA parameter, which I just called FC, and I'm getting that from the OFX.findParameterByName, and what I want is the background. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to change the color of that background. So right here I am creating a new color variable, which I'm just calling fColor, and I'm setting it to color.black, so it'll be a black background. So now I get my OFX color variable, which I called FOC, and I'm setting my R, G, B, and A color to the value of the R, G, B, and A, all of them divided by 255, because in the OFX color, 0 is 0, 1 is 255. So it only goes between 0 and 1. An actual color goes between 0 and 255, so I have to divide it by 255 in order to get it in the 0 to 1 range. Then I'm going to set my OFX RGBA parameter variable .value equal to this new OFX color. So now I've changed the color to black, and that will fill the entire screen. I want to limit it to the size of the text. I get me a Boolean parameter, which I just called fit, since it's going to be fit background color. And then I get that from OFX.findParameterByName, and the parameter name is fit background color. Then I'm going to take that value and set it to true. Once I've changed these values, I need to tell it that all the parameters have changed. So let's see how that works in Vegas. So here I have a video with a sample text behind it, and you can see the sample text written over the video. So now I'm going to run the script, and now it has a background, but it's limited to the text size. So let's undo this. Let's edit this, and let's change the text size to smaller, and let's change the text to something like that, and we'll change the position of it too to move it down to where a subtitle might be. So now we run the script again, and you can see it once again is limited to where the text is, and the background is now black. So this is just a short little script that will let us go in and change that one setting, basically the fit background to text setting, and also change the background color so that we could easily change a whole program's worth of titles and text to be the same color and make them all fit. So if you had a bunch of titles already in the project and already listed, then we could change them all just by running this one little script. Hope you find this useful. Let me know what type of scripts you would like to see in the future. Subscribe and let me know exactly what you want to see here, and we'll see what we can come up with. See you in the next tutorial. Please sign up at www.jettv.com and subscribe on YouTube to get further notifications on when new videos are presented.